So today's game over has to be on the IPL valuation, isn't it? Everybody's asking 7,000 crores, 5,250 crores. What on earth is going on? Let me just make a little bit of sense. Firstly, 9 bidders qualified. Some of them included the Manchester United family, the Glazers, CVC, obviously RPSG, Adani, Kotak. They were going with Group M, HT Media. 9 bidders qualified, and then the technical bids were opened first, and then the financial bids around 5:30 p.m. or so Dubai time, which is around 7 p.m. India. RPSG winning the bid with a whopping 7,000 crores, and CVC, a hedge fund which has an interest in Formula One, they were coming second with 5,200 plus crores. Now, how much money are each of these people going to lose? Frankly, this is spread over a 10-year period. Now, the loss will be compounded if the BCCI doesn't make enough money from media rights sales. If the BCCI makes an exorbitant amount of money from media rights, automatically the amount of loss, the loss that is being imputed at the moment, will fall drastically. So frankly, I don't assume at this point in time with a 7,000 crore bid, 700 crores a year, if they get back around 450 CR from media rights, another 50 to 75 from sponsorship, and another 30-40 from gate receipts for the 9 games, I don't assume more than 125 CRs a year. Now, if you calculate over a 10-year period, talk the valuation game, I think this is well and truly manageable. So I think this has shown that the IPL has now become a fantastic cricket property. I think the media rights valuation has been pushed to about 40,000 plus crores. BCCI and Sourav Ganguly, I'm quoting, 12,000 today, 40,000 in a month, 52,000 crores in a month, or maybe 5 weeks' time. Can you imagine what the valuation of Indian cricket is like? Now just fingers crossed India wins against New Zealand on Sunday, because that's what each of us want, right? Fans, 52,000 crores in its place, but let Virat Kohli and his team come out and redeem themselves after that mauling against Pakistan. If that happens, on and off the field, there's one winner. That's Indian cricket.